Let's look at both the differences between the blades and blade installation for the oscillating tool for the Integra. There are three different blades for the oscillating tool for the Integra: the TC10, the TC15, and the TC25. The TC10 can cut up to 10 millimeters in depth. The TC15 blade is the same total length as the TC10, however the blade is longer, allowing it to cut up to 15 millimeters in depth. The last blade is the TC25. As you can see, the overall blade is longer than the TC15. The TC25 blade is ideal for foam board, gator board, corrugated, honeycomb, and other soft but thicker materials. Let's remove the foot from the tool so we can change the blades. There are two screws on either side of the foot that you'll need to unlock using the provided tool. Note that for the TC25 blade, you'll need to use the longer foot that's provided with the Integra. With the foot removed, you can unlock the screw holding the blade in place and remove the blade. For all the blades, on the base there's a flat side that should match the screw, so it can only go in the tool one direction. Carefully insert the new blade until it stops. Then firmly tighten the screw to lock the blade in place. It's imperative that you lock this screw tightly, as the oscillating tool can loosen the blade over time. Because we're installing the TC15 blade, we'll need to use a smaller foot that's provided. Here you can see the difference between the foot sizes. It should be noted that the smaller foot is the same foot that's used for the tangential head. Slide the foot down on the tool, and lock down the two screws to hold it in place. Once you lock down those two screws, you're ready to install the tool on the Integra cut head.